Alright, so good morning, guys. Actually, it's good afternoon now, it's 12 o'clock, and I'm all set to start my day. And this is the saddlebag, and those are my things over there. I'm just going to start my packing, and stay tuned and let's get started. Trust me, this is not an easy job. It's really very difficult. I mean, I'm sweating so much. The saddlebag is ready. Now I'm going to tie up the tank bag. Just look at me. I'm sweating so much. Can't help it. Though it's looking good. Now I'm going to install this tank bag. Let's see. I don't know how to install it. All set. Now a few more stuff things. All set to leave. All set. Saddlebags are there. I have taken the jerry cans and tank bag is there. Action camera, gloves, all set. So let's leave and stay tuned. Alright, the rain has stopped. It was raining and I was thinking that whether I will be able to make it again or not. But the rain has stopped and now I am leaving. I'm about to meet my Chennai riders. Oli is the one whom I am in touch with, as I told you in my previous video. So I'm starting. Let's get started.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Okay, so here my journey begins. I'm going towards Karol Bagh now. Finally started from Delhi, going towards Chandigarh. First I will meet Oli and company, Oli and his friend. It's 3 p.m. We are starting at 3 p.m. and it's all because of Oli. They wanted to buy something. So I have started my day and I'm going towards Karol Bagh now, and there I will meet Odu, the rider who has come from Chennai, and after that we will be heading towards Chandigarh, and the kilometers I have started is 23,961. People are going to stare, obviously. You know the reasons. The people here are so, what should I say? They are just in so much hurry. I don't know what kind of hurry they are in. Whether they are supposed to attend any kind of meeting or what, I'm not sure. Though I'm carrying everything that is required. Let's see how it goes. The bike is running really smooth, and I am carrying 1 liter extra engine oil. When I will be returning from Ladakh, I might need that.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You. Hold tight, chemicals
Started at 61, right? 961.
dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping
So this is the highway that is connecting towards. If you go this way, you will get Akshardham, and then obviously Connaught Place and all. So and at the back it will be Noida. So moving towards this. So I have reached Karol Bagh, where my friends were staying here. So he's Ghost, and that's Oli, and they were staying here in Karol Bagh Heritage. So I have just came here, and now we are just about to start, and we'll be reaching Chandigarh today, and we'll keep you posted on this. Stay tuned.